Welcome to Incredible Biology, where we explore the fascinating world of living organisms. Today, we're diving into the mysterious waters of the Northern Hemisphere to uncover the secrets of a remarkable waterfall, the Common Scoter, also known as the Black Scoter Melanita nigra. This intriguing sea duck might not be the most colorful bird in the pond, but it's certainly one of the most interesting. Let's explore some amazing facts about this aquatic wonder. 1. Diving ability. The Common Scoter is an excellent diver, capable of reaching depths of up to 20 meters, about 66 feet, while foraging for food. They primarily feed on mollusks, crustaceans, and small fish, which they catch underwater using their strong, webbed feet to propel themselves. 2. Migration. These birds are known for their long-distance migrations. Common scoters breed in the northern parts of Europe and Asia, including countries like Russia and Scandinavia. During winter, they migrate to coastal waters further south, such as the British Isles, the Mediterranean, and even as far as the Black Sea. 1. Midnight diver. The Common Scoter lives up to its name with its striking all-black plumage, broken only by a splash of yellow-orange on its bill. 2. Deep sea diner. These birds are underwater acrobats, diving up to 20 meters deep to feast on mollusks and crustaceans. 3. Saltwater sippers. Thanks to special salt **************, they can drink seawater, a rare ability in the bird world. 4. Arctic adventurers. They breed in the harsh tundra, but migrate south from milder winter waters. 5. Silent type. Generally quiet, males break their silence with haunting whistles during mating season. 6. Marathon lifers. These hardy birds can live up to 2 decades in the wild. 7. Pollution fighters. While not endangered, they face challenges from marine pollution and habitat changes. 8. Flock behavior. They often gather in large groups called rafts on the water surface. 9. Unique nesting. Females create nests on the ground, often hidden in dense vegetation near water. 10. Rapid flyers. Despite their bulky appearance, they can fly at speeds of up to 75 kilometers per hour, 47 miles per hour. Stay tuned to Incredible Biology for more amazing insights into the wonders of the natural world. Would you like me to expand on any of these points or add more information about the Common Scoter?